Today we will be learning about formula related to algebra. In algebra, let's start with few formula related to square. The first formula is a plus b whole square. In this case, remember if plus is there, right, and square is in whole, okay, then we'll go with a square, here also plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, a minus b whole square. When there is minus and square as a whole, these two, then we'll go with a square minus. Only in this case, in 2ab, we'll change this minus goes here, okay, this plus goes here. Other things remain same in both formulas, like minus 2ab plus b square. What we came to know, this plus goes here and this minus goes here. Other things remain same. This is also here plus, right? Here also plus, okay, same. Remember these two, then if you remember one formula, another will be remembered automatically. So the third one, C. The third formula is a square minus b square. In between a and b there is minus, right? And a is power 2 and b is also power 2. In this case, a square, this is a square, this is b square, right? A square minus b square is a minus b bracket. Remember these two should be bracket, and this also a plus b. Here it's always into. If you don't write anything in between the two parentheses, then it's always multiplication, okay? Multiplication. Remember that one. Okay, now let's do with D. Let's remove all these lines. A square plus b square. Okay, this and these are similar, only here minus, here it's plus. These two are same and these two are almost same, but the formula of these two are related to one another, but this is little different, so you need to remember both. And in this case, this formula is widely used, but this is seldom used. In very few cases we will use, otherwise you will not use, okay? So for this formula there are two formulas, okay? Let's start with I. A plus b whole square minus 2ab, and another is a minus b whole square plus 2ab. You only need to remember one thing. If this is the plus, right, and you write the plus in between a and b, then what will write? Before 2ab you will write minus sign. But if you write this plus sign as a minus in between a and b, then you need to write plus before 2ab. This is the main thing. Alternative, if it's plus here, then here it goes minus. If you write minus here, then plus goes here, okay? This is seldom used, so no need to worry about it. E formula is, it's also not much used, like a plus b plus c whole square. There are three, right? A, b and c. It is not much used, but if sometime the formula comes, then you need to remember, okay? It's simple, it's not that hard. So a, there is a, so write a square. B, so write b square. It's all plus, okay? So c square. Done. Then go with plus 2ab, then 2bc, then write plus 2bc, then again c and a, so write plus 2 AC or CA is same, so CA. This is the formula and this is seldom used, okay? So you need to remember the formula. So now let's go with cube. Formula related to cube, okay? There are also few formula, only 4 formula you need to remember. They are also similar to square. Let's start with A plus B whole cube. In this case, if you see plus here, what you will do? We'll write plus in between the number or letter, okay? Like A cube plus 3. What we had done here 2, so we wrote here 2. It's 2, so here we wrote 2. Similarly, here it's cube, so we'll write cube, okay? If you remember this way, it will be easy. A square B plus, first you did square to A, this is A square, then what we will do, square to B here. Other things remain same 3 goes here is 3, A B square, here it's A square, here it's B square, okay, and then plus B cube. This is the formula of A plus B whole cube, okay. Let's remove all the lines. Now what we will see, A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. This is the formula. The second is B, A minus B whole cube. This is also similar to first one, but we need to keep minus in 2 places, okay. So we need to remember 2 plus 2 minus in case of cube, 2 plus 2 minus. A cube is similar, but first plus then minus 3A square B, then again plus 3A B square and again minus B cube. You need to remember first plus and minus and again plus and minus. Remember this way, it will be easy, okay. A cube, then where A square is there should be minus. When B square is there should be plus, but B cube there should be minus. So you need to remember the formula of cube as all plus when there is plus, when there is minus, plus minus, plus minus. Remember this way. The third formula C is A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B bracket A square minus AB plus B square. Now you need to remember when there is plus, okay, when there is plus between A cube and B cube plus, you need to remember you will write here it's plus, okay, here it's plus and here it's minus. In this case, when you write here plus, here minus, if there is minus in here, then you will write minus here, plus here, okay. Let's do the next formula, D, A cube minus B cube. All 4 are used frequently, okay, remember that one. So when there is minus, what you will do, A minus B, okay, here is minus, here you wrote minus, then what you will do here, it's pretty simple, A square plus AB plus B square. You wrote here minus, so here you will write plus, okay. What we need to remember is when there is minus, here we will write minus, when there is plus, here we will write plus. So if you write minus here, you will write plus here, if it's plus here, you will write minus here. This is the formula, okay. You need to remember only 2 changes in the formula. These are obviously the formula we will mostly encounter.